Mirror, mirror of my soul, who do I look like today? Is the old man still dying? Is his likeness still washing away? Mirror, mirror,
Mirror, mirror
of my soul, I'm standing here once again, and I'll just keep coming back until you expose all my sin. When I look into that mirror, whose image do I see? Is it the old man I can't stand, or the new man I wanna be? Transform me, Holy Spirit, expose all of my shame, raise me up by your power and the blood of the Lamb who was slain. Salvation comes through Christ, the only way to the Father above. There's no other way to heaven but by this new covenant.